Hello, my name is Ondrej and you are watching Instrument Expert channel. Today we will be talking about our turbine control and protection system, and for this we are using a redundant pair of Siemens PLC. The module of PLC is 410 5H. Okay, so this is for turbine control and protection system, and down below here we have for position control of the control valves, also Siemens 410 entry model. So on the turbine control and protection system, we have three modules. The first one is power supply module. This is the PLC itself, and this we are using communication processor card for communication with excitation system, generator system, and here we are using Modbus communication. So let's talk about the power supply unit. The power supply unit is PS 405 10 amps. We have multiple lights for diagnostic. So for this internal fail of the power supply, battery fail 1 and 2. Because in this socket we have two batteries. Each battery has 3.6 volts, so do not mismatch with standard 1.5 volts. This is special batteries 3.6 volts, and this is to keep user program alive during power failure of the PLC. So here you have two batteries, two slots. You switch off the battery indication based on how many batteries you have. So we have two batteries, so you switch on the battery indication, and when the voltage of the battery will be low, you will have battery 1 or 2 fail. Then we have diagnostic for the 5 volts and 24 volts of the power supply. 5 volts is using for internal PLC. We have multiple lights also. So first one is internal fail. It means when there is some timing error or some software coding is wrong or some organization block evaluates that there is some mismatch, then internal fail will be lit. Then we have external fail, and this is when using diagnostic of the I/O cards. So for example, wire break or short circuit of some analog input, digital input, then you have external fail, and this will be also shown in the operator station. About the external fail, we will talk later more. Here we have redundancy fail because we have two PLC in redundant configuration. Here we have bus fail number 1. Bus fail number 1 is bus for the optics. It means for synchronizing data between these two PLC in the redundant mode. EFM1 means interface module for synchronization between PLC. EFM1 is the first one optics, and EFM2 is the second optics, the bottom. Then we have maintenance LED, run status of the PLC, and stop status. Then we have information which PLC is master and in which rack is it configured. So the left one is now master, and the left one is rack 0, and the right one is rack 1. For the communication processor, we have also internal fail, external fail, bus fail, transfer and receive some data, maintenance, run, and stop status. So about the external fail LED, now it is showing fail. So we are using diagnostic for our 3 racks. Rack 1 and 2 is on the front part of these panels. Here we are on the rear part, and here we have rack number 3. So if all analog inputs, outputs will be connected correctly on the DCS part and in the process, then all these LEDs should be green. And if somebody cut the wire or some sensor will be disrupted, Then you will have external fail. It will also show on the operator workstation. And here you can show which channel exactly is wrong. So this is reg number 1, 2 and 3 for the top PLC, this 410 5H. And this is special technological modules for the bottom PLC. This bottom PLC is also 410 but entry model, 410E. Also in redundant configuration. And on these technological modules, you measure speed of the turbine, and you are evaluating position on the control valves and controlling the position of the control valves. So this concludes our discussion about turbine control and protection system. We have discussed the status of PLCs, the lights, meaning of the light status. So thank you very much for watching Instrument Expert channel, and see you in next video.